Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your Insta bio to restaurant. Then go to the right to your profile. First, if you haven't already, you need a business account or a professional account. If you have one already, you can skip this part. I will give you a timestamp. Go to the 3 lines in the top right, then go down to account type and tools, and now here switch to professional account, continue, and then here you can already choose what you want and also display on your profile. So I will choose artist, but I will not display it on a profile because that's a problem you have right now. So just here creator or business, this is not needed. So now here you can see that this is the view of your professional account. Then go to edit profile, scroll down to category and select restaurant. Make sure to display it on your profile, so check this box up here, hit done, go back, and now you see it's here. So thanks for watching, leave a like if it helped you out, and see you in the next video.